final episode.
And there you go guys, there's the finished picture. I'll give you a little talk through. So we went in and we was working down on the cloak, just using black, standard carbon black, full opaque, and I was just doing light passes to get the shades into the bottom of the cloak, then rounded some off by doing dark passes and light passes and making them look like they're rounded off. Working up, we've dropped the other dog tag in, and then we highlighted the parts of the chain that was coming round on the top, blacked the rest of the panel off, went round and blacked it off, used shields, then I went in with some whites and just done some drag down dagger stroke effects coming down just off the knuckles, dropped a highlight point in the eye to make that pop, and then I went in with some candy red, built the layers of candy red up into the ring, and then done some splits on the knuckles and done some blood runs coming down. We dropped a bit of the blood run into the dog tag, this one, and then just done some passes of the candy red onto the cloak, a little bit of like blood splatter and redness just to colour that up, bit out the nose, coming out the mouth on the teeth, and that's all done guys. So the next stage on this is to clear coat it, and what I'm going to do, I've got 2 more panels that I need to clear coat, so I'm going to do a day at the body shop. I'll take the GoPro over with me and I'll film clear coating this range of panels that I've got that need clear coating. I've got some that have got metal flake on, so you get to see them. Some of the lowrider videos that I did, I've got panels of artwork that all need clearing, but they're a bit too big to clear coat in here all at once. So I'll take these all along with me and I'll spend a day in there, and I'll talk you through the clear coat stages at the body shop. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on the final stage of Your Next. Quite a simple piece to do, just sort of take your time. I wasn't really looking at the reference in the end, I was just making my own way up around the bottoms here and just building the layers up, building the layers, dropping the textures in, using the paint pen, the scalpel. We've got a little bit of texture that you can spray and drag, and that's what I've done to put into the cloak. We've got a electric eraser. These ones are really good, guys. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get these from. You get 2 points with these. You can get a thicker eraser part that goes in the top, and you can get a smaller one for all them sharp highlights you can just knock in. And I could spend another 20-30 minutes on this, just tweaking it, adding some more highlights, adding some more candy, but we're going to leave that as it is. So what I do is I just drop a little bit of panel wipe on there for you, and then you can see this panel glossed up. So that will give you a rough look at what it's going to look like when it's clear coated, guys. So you get the nice shine on that. So that's how the darks will come out once it's clear coated. It really sets that off. So hope you can join me in the next video, which fingers crossed will be clear coating these panels. If not, it's going to be some Lambretta bits I've got turning up today, and that will be like normal spraying, a little bit of airbrush work on them, but I'll take you through the stages of that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys.
You don't wanna fuck with me.